What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, come to you with another quick video. And before we jump into that, just know that the giveaway is still live. I got the links in the description below, so definitely check that out. But before we kind of jump into the video, do want to introduce the man himself. Got Frantz over here.
Yo, it's me. It's me again.
Right. And we got Bandit here. Most hated on Altima in the community. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around and take a look at it real quick.
Tried out the resonators. I was like, fuck it, let's do the big pipes.
Nice. That is insane.
It pulls. It pulls.
Oh yeah. Always got to check these out. You got some different ones?
No. I got a new library coming out soon, so okay. I'm keeping the people that backed me up from the day one. So
nice.
That's
nice. Then you got the front. Got to check the front out too. Oh, perfect color scheme. Got the Battle Gang squad. Oh yeah.
It pulls. It goes. You got the purples, vicious purples, and it pulls a lot.
Nice. Yeah, man. We're gonna have to definitely get the sound clips and everything. So it's not gonna be a cold start, but it's gonna be louder than if it was. That is crazy. That's a 2.5. Talking. All right.
You're gonna see from 0 to 60. You're gonna see what I mean when 0 to 60. Ready?
Yeah. Rev battle.
Got that?
Yeah. Nice little rev battle with a 350Z back there.
That pop, yeah.
Yep.
Those niggas want to shoot. Man didn't want to shoot.
Got that underpass.
In 0.1 miles, keep left.
Alright, well, you said we're going to convention center there.
Keep left. 1 mile.
I can't wait for it. See it all set up.
So what we're doing is we're gonna get the wheels that I showed you.
That'll be dope.
And that has no drone.
Yeah.
No drone whatsoever.
Turn right.
Quick. Gotcha.
Just run my Seneca intake and freshly oil change.
Nice. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Very dope. Look how low it is. So you got the new wheels coming soon.
And if you're looking for exhaust, make sure you find one that has better, I didn't want to do no name brand exhaust or something like that. So I just researched and I said, hey, listen, fuck it, I want to do this.
All custom?
I came out.
So how much of it is custom and how much of it is a set?
Well, okay, remember you saw my underpipes on the big ones, right? So it goes the stainless steel 2.5. It's still straight go boom, but there's nothing. It's just fabricated straight pipe all the way down. That's it.
Nice. Pretty dope. Now, you haven't had any issues where you like hit these in the back, do you? Like bump against them or anything?
It hit like it goes. You know, when I go over like a ridge, it goes. That's it. But
that's it. Okay. I gotcha.
If you're doing a build, do something that you like. Don't let nobody tell you differently or something at all. You know what I mean? People say, "Oh, why you do with these quick pipes?" At the end of the day, I'm running harder than anybody else on the street. You know, just do what you think is happy, and that's it. Fuck it.
And that's gonna do it for this video. So, like,
yeah. Shout out.
Oh, hold on.
Shout out to God, really. Shout out to my sister. Shout out to my girlfriend Brooke, love her. Shout out to my peoples. Shout out to my boy Tyreek. He has a 350Z too, so I'm helping him doing that. Shout out to, you know, all my day ones that stuck with me. Shout out to Copacetic. Shout out to, shout out to, you know, for the OPD. Shout out to the OPD that did pull me over yet. Because I'll be gunning. And where's, come here. Stores. Hold on. Come here. Hey, shout out to this man right here. I've been dealing with this man for 15 years.
15.
Yeah, shout out to Snores right here.
Man, I had one of the baddest Evos back in the day. Very fast. Yellow too. Vocals, everything.
Shout out to, you know, Gianni. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the customers who buying parts for the car. Gianni!
Hold on.
Shout out to everybody, you know.
His STK right here. Customer right there.
No, probably not, but.
And support local businesses like Speed Zone and All the Speed, because you know at the end of the day they got what you need, and you know it's hand in hand exchange. So.
You do it like this. Come on.
Working man in
What's going on?
Yeah, shout out to Gianni, but yeah, that's it. That's all.
Oh yeah. And Gianni's always the one that's been hooking me up, so definitely appreciate it.
Yeah, I totally forgot. Shout out to the man who gave me this. Set up this pipes right here. Ravi, if you're looking for custom exhaust and you're here in Kissimmee or Orlando, talk to my boy Ravi at Discount Auto Muffler on OBT.
Alright, perfect. Well, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Definitely like to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget, the giveaway is still live. The link is in the description below. Also, if you want to follow more on Franz's build, I'm gonna have a link to his Instagram as well. We're gonna try to see if we can get him to start a YouTube channel. If you're interested in that, definitely let him know in the comment section below. Hit him up on Instagram. And yeah, I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.